Welcome back to the Crochet Creatives with my friends at yarnspirations.com. So what we have here in the letter course that we're doing, we've just come all the way back in the last video, and there's a red arrow that is pointing up and going towards the side. So when we get to the end of this instruction here, we're not done. We're not able to just chain up one and turn around to go back. What we have to do is we have to do the number of chains. So follow the red arrow. So after the last single crochet is in, you can see that there's 1, 2, and 3 chains, and you see how this one is going vertical, that chain, second chain from the hook, and you're going to work your way all the way back across. And something is unique on this side, and we'll cover that in the next video. So let's just demonstrate on how this is done right here. Done this, we can't just turn around and go back. We have to add more chain before doing that. So in this case, it was chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And now you're ready to turn the whole thing around and then crochet back along that. So second chain from the hook, you were going to single crochet that one, and then the next one, and then you're ready to go across then the top, just like this, all the way across. So you've added the extra chain at the end before turning around and then coming back, and so then you end up with more of a curvature look. So we're getting all the way close to the end of this, but you will notice that there was a green extra chains that were provided. And so when we get here, we're not done this row because we are missing the foundation of the extra chains that we need. Pull up a loop and grab the same color yarn but with a different strand, and we need to add those into, and I'll show you that in the next video.